The self is a temple, and there is God there. Yourself and myself is not different, it's same. That's why they say all people are same, and it's very difficult to get to the core of it. My name is Achutam Nair. Achutam is the name of Lord Krishna. I got married in 1985. My family of wife and 2 children. My dad was a technocrat. He was a chemical engineer, and my mom was a housewife. And both have influenced me quite a lot in their own ways. Mother, of course, gave other aspects of life like devotion and going to temples and having certain values in life. And she, in her own way, used to help me identify those by reading. So she used to read a lot. I also picked up this habit of reading a lot. I used to send money to various temples where I cannot visit because of the distance and my limited time. So while looking into it, I always used to be frustrated. Something or other used to be little below par. Then in Facebook, I chanced upon Sri Mandir. When I looked into it, I realized that it had everything. It was a refreshing information for me that there's something which has everything and that it is offering almost all the temples in the country. So I was very happy because they were sharing the videos, they were calling and speaking with me, and they were promptly dispatching the prasad. I was getting all notification about it. There was no gap in between. I was getting reassured every time. Before my concern could develop, I was getting a notification. So I would definitely recommend this to anybody who are aspiring to make offerings at different temples across India.